about the man selling smart AI websites to local business owner. Head over to Google and write plumber in blank city, but you can actually pick any industry out there. Picking this guy's website because it's so outdated and does not have any AI agent to take his call. Head over to the link in the bio and get a free 30-day trial with HighLevel. Logging over to HighLevel, I click Assistant and then Create Assistant. We're gonna click Create Assistant from scratch. Now we're gonna need a prompt for this AI assistant. I asked ChatGPT to scrape this website and give me the entire prompt with all of the website information. So I'm gonna click Copy. Heading over to Widget, Create New Widget. Select a floating ops here that have live agents on the website. Can connect this widget to all of this bot, but we're gonna connect to the one that we just created, plumber website. We're going to click generate a code and then copy this entire code and put it into our customer website. I'm going to build them a new one by head over to site and website because HighLevel have all this website template that I can just get easily. Putting my code into the new website, click save. So all of the customer have to do is just visit the new website and click on this and talk with the AI agent.
Hot water system repairs and replacements,
can you help
gas
me
fitting, water.
Book a call to my house right now at 7 p.m.
We can help arrange a plumber, including after hours. I can't confirm a 7 p.m. arrival without checking the schedule. Is this an emergency or a standard job? And what suburb are you in? Once I have that, I'll get you the next available time as close to 7 p.m. as possible.
It is an emergency, but how much does it cost for you guys to come in and fix this?
I hear you. It's urgent. We don't charge call-out fees. For emergencies, the plumber will attend ASAP assessment.
I normally do this for free to impress business owner. And if they like it, I charge them $297 to $497 to keep this AI website running. 20 clients at $497 and you make 10K per month. Comment the word AI below. I'll send you my free training on how to set this up from A to Z in detail.